Alright guys, I got my trusty battery drill. I know it's cheap, but it serves my purpose. And I won't have to take this loose. So, I'm going to try to position the camera. I ain't got a tripod, so bear with me. I might try to do this like this. Now, alright. Hope for the best. There's one. Well, the other one was broke, as it appears to be. That makes it fun. Yep, it's broke off in it. Let's hope that it comes out without holding it. No, it ain't going to. So I won't have to hold this with this hand and try to there, that got it. Now, whew, didn't know this was going to be such a big job. And anyway, let's see. We'll put this together like so. I'll take and put it like that. As you can see, I'll be putting it together like that. So we'll start off with, I like starting off with the middle one. Let me turn the torque down on my favorite drill. It's a hammer drill too, by the way. So we'll do it for this. I got the torque turned all the way down. Alright, that's enough. Hey. What you doing? Okay. I'm trying to, well, that's good. I was filming me replacing this signal light. I was replacing it, filming it. No, you're all right. And we will, now we'll tighten this one up. All right. Then make sure it boots on there good. All right, now we're ready to put it back on. I'll mount it first. You see, it's got the new one, still got the new plastic wrap on it. So I'll try to, I'll mount it first, then I'll peel it off before I install that panel. Okay. Let's see. Let me put my drill up, or move it over. Gotta get my battery ratchet. And I'll put him right there. It's pretty close to where it was at to begin with. But I'll take these screws and run them in by finger, and I'll get back with you in a second.